Hey everyone, my name is Annalie Hudson. Today I will be playing 10,000 Reasons by Redman on my ukulele. You can also see in the link that I will put below the tutorial I used to learn how to play. It was a really great tutorial, so I recommend it. Anyway, let's get right into it. I hope you enjoy the music and worship along with me. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship Your holy name. You're rich in love and You're slow to anger. Your name is great and Your heart is kind. For all Your goodness I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I'll worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship Your holy name. And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws